Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul for you. I went shopping this weekend. So for those of you that don't know, I live in a pretty small town, and I just went this past weekend to my parents' place, and they live in a bigger city, and I went shopping. I didn't like go crazy or anything like that, just Dollar Tree, Walmart, like that kind of thing. Like, it's not crazy, but we did find this really, really cool sale. So twice a year, they do it in the spring and they do it in the fall. It's like a country sale, and it's like way in the country, and it's at this like huge farm, and they have like all these tables, all these vendors come and they rent tables, and they sell mostly handmade things. So I got a lot of really cool things from that. I should say really quickly before I get too far into this video, I apologize if I sound really weird. I am very sick. I probably look it, I sound it. I'm sorry, but I just wanted to do a quick little haul here before I unpack all this stuff and show you what I got, because I got some really cute things. So at that sale, like I said, most of the stuff is handmade, and this is what I got from it. So the first thing that I got, which was, how much? This was $15. I got this little sign, and it says, "Look what I made," and it has all these little clothespins so that when your kids make drawings, you can just attach it to this. So you hang this on the wall and you can attach your kids' drawings to this. And I thought it was super, super cute. And $15, like, that's adorable. I thought it was so cute. Next thing at that sale, this was also $15, was this beautiful dream catcher. I probably can't even show you guys this fully. I don't know if you can see it. I'm probably gonna go out of frame showing it to you. But it is so gorgeous. She had so many different ones there, and this does not match my bedroom whatsoever. My bedroom is like a dark greeny blue color. But I mean, this coral will look nice with it as well, but it's just, oh, it was so beautiful. I had to grab this one. I had such a hard time deciding which one to get because they were all so pretty, and she had so many different colors. And she had great big huge ones, like, oh, they were so pretty. The next thing I picked up for $5 was this picture frame. So it's got these little clothespins again, and you just like hang your pictures, your photos on there. You just hang this on the wall, and I thought it was super, super cute. She had, once again, a bunch of different colors, and $5. I mean, you can't go wrong. You can't even make it for $5. I mean, maybe you could, but you'd have to actually make it. So for $5, I picked this up. I think this is going to go really well in our bedroom. It'll be super cute. And the last thing that I got at the sale was this really cool thing. So it's called a game of hide and seek. So I don't know if you guys can see. I'll have to come. I'm gonna get real close to. So basically, it's this list, and you're supposed to find all these different things. So there's ant, balloon, bat, bead, bear. I'm not gonna read them all, but it's like got these like beads in it, and you find all the different little things. And it's for children, obviously. So I thought this was just super, super cute for when my son gets a little bit older. He's a little bit too young for it right now, but I definitely thought this was cute. And this was $20. It's a sensory bag. Benefits of hide and seek sensory bags include fine motor skill development, hand-eye coordination, object recognition, quiet, busy, work, fun. So that was all that I got at that sale. So now we're gonna move on to Michael's. I went to Michael's specifically because I was looking for a new day planner. So with both of my YouTube channels, and I've got some other stuff going on the side, like I do nails on the side, and I'm also going to be starting a daycare in my home as well this summer. So I have a lot going on, so I need to become more organized. I have to. So I wanted to get a new day planner. And I found this one, and it's super, super pretty. Oh, if I can open it here. And it says on the front, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there," which goes along with my law of attraction ideals. And then I really liked this one because it starts halfway through the year and it goes into the next year. Because one thing that I didn't want is I didn't want to pay like full price for, I mean, it's May now. I didn't want to be buying a planner and like have to waste half of it because it's May. So this one actually starts in July, and it goes until December of next year. So December of 2020. So it's a 1.5-year planner. So I thought that was really, really cool. So once again, it says, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there." And it just shows like, oh, it's so pretty. So, okay. So it has like all of the 2019, 2020. And then here we go with July. Gives you the overview. And then it gives you like a little spot that has errands to buy, bills to pay, calls, emails, focus for every week, and a little spot for each day to write down what's going on. So it has this at the beginning of each week, which I thought was really cool. And this thing is really awesome because it has little add-ons that you can get, and this is also what I got there to add into it. Just extra little pages that clip right in. And it has like stickers and stuff so you can really personalize it, but I didn't go that far. I just ended up grabbing this. So it has like by the hour and like just kind of a to-do list. So I can add that in and just it clips right in. So I'm really excited about this. And like, how pretty is this? I'm so excited to get more organized. So those were the two things that I got at Michael's. Now let's move on to Indigo. So on my way home, my boyfriend, bless his heart, he's so sweet. He just texted me and he was like, because he knows I absolutely love to read. And if you guys don't know, I also have another channel. I will link it in the description box below. But I have a BookTube channel where I talk all about reading and writing and books. So I'm definitely a book girl. So he texted me and he was like, why don't you stop in on your way at home and grab yourself some books? I was like, okay, you don't have to tell me twice. So I only found a couple, and I usually try to shop in the bargain section when I go to a place like Indigo. It's very difficult for me to pay full price for a book. But I got this book called Learn to Sleep Well. I suffer with major insomnia. And so this book is all about learning to sleep well. Topics covered include understanding sleep, your changing needs, the sleep environment, sleep and lifestyle, relaxation exercises, meditations, routines, and rituals, including herbalism and aromatherapy, and overcoming sleep problems, including insomnia, nightmares, snoring, and children's sleeping difficulties. So I need this. I definitely need this. So I'm excited about this one. And I got this dream journal. And it's also got a decoder as well, so with dream definitions. And I thought it was really pretty. So in the front part is like it has kind of a decoder where you can like look up what your dreams were about and it'll tell you what they mean. And then inside it has, so it says what was the main activity of the dream, where the dream was set, what characters were in the dream, key elements from the dream, symbols, dream analysis, summaries, key takeaways from the dream, and it has like everything in here, and you just like the date and everything, whether it was recurring, all that kind of stuff. So that's it from Indigo, and now we're gonna move on to Walmart and then Dollar Tree, and then we're done. Oh my goodness. So at Walmart I just got like feminine products and like stuff like that, but I'm just going to show you the fun stuff. And same thing with that Dollar Tree. I got like light bulbs. Like I'm not going to show you guys that kind of stuff. I'm just going to show you fun stuff. So I got these just fun little flip-flops. I needed a new pair of flip-flops. They were like $4, $4.97. So just plain old little flip-flops that I can just wear around anywhere. And I got these cute pajamas. Oh my God, they're so cute. I hope you guys can see this. It has a little tie at the bottom. And it says, my coffee needs coffee. Hope you guys can see this. And it comes with these little matching shorts that have little coffee cups on them. So cute. So cute. So that was what the cute stuff that I got at Walmart. And now Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree like really surprised me. All of a sudden they had all this cute stuff. So I just got like a bath exfoliating glove. And then I found this little guy that I thought was really adorable. I'm just gonna like stick him on my bookshelf or something. Oh, what's going on here? Oh God. Anyways, he's cute. Just a little @ sign. And then I found this little ring holder. Little mermaid, gold mermaid tail. And then these little guys, these little plates, one says dream and one says be bold and courageous. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys can see that. I hope it's not like covering it up. They had a bunch with different sayings all over them, and so I just picked two of them. I have no idea what I'm going to use these for. Like, I think they're just supposed to be for rings or jewelry, but they're so cute. And then the same thing, I got this one, and it says hello, and it's just like a plastic a little plastic case. And once again, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but it was just so cute. And it's $1.25. Like, how can you go wrong? And then I got these cute little wall hangings, and they have like a marble background, and they just hang on the wall. This one says, write your own story. And then this one says, follow your dreams. And wake up and smile. So I'm gonna have to put these somewhere in my bedroom. My battery's about to die, so I gotta like wrap this up. I found this cute little girl boss sign. Now I just need to find a desk to put it on. Perfect. And I got these pens, these fashion pens that I thought would go really well with my planner. Let's take them out here. You guys can see them. I know that I'm like way far back, so I don't even know if you guys can see any of this stuff. Hopefully you can. And then lastly, I got these inserts to go in my planner, and they don't really match up perfect with my planner, but I'm hoping I can make them work. Because like I said, my planner doesn't start until July, so I just got some extra inserts that I can insert in there so that I have something up until July. Does that make sense? So I just got like some inserts that say Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and just some little inserts for that. Notes, motivations. I have no idea if you guys can see this at all. Like, I'm filming on my phone and I have you facing the opposite, so I can't even see myself. I have no idea. Anyways, so that is what I got. I'm really excited about all this stuff. I got some really cute stuff, and I did not spend a lot of money, so I'm actually really happy with what I got for the price that I paid. Anyways, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know if you want to see more hauls. I'm not a huge shopper by any means, but if you want to see what I do buy when I do shop, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film some more of these, because they're really fun to do and I love watching them. So hopefully you guys do too. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.